Protecting your work, you only need to do this action once, but it is extremely important to protect your designs. Click on your avatar and in the account settings in Artist Tools in the top half of the menu, select Protect Your Work. Check the last box, opting to place a tiled watermark across my images, and also tick for Download Protection. Now, the first of those steps, there are a few different options, but if you go for the one that's crosses and X's and put that all the way across your image, nobody is going to be able to take that image and use it themselves and place it across their own projects. The second one, Download Protection, means that if they try and right click, it'll be a bit fuzzy and won't be good enough quality for them to be able to use. But what if someone manages to get through all this security and does copy one of your designs and puts it on Redbubble, passed off as their own? Well, before I tell you, just give me a quick poke of that like button if you're finding this useful. According to copyright law in the UK, US and many other countries around the world, as soon as you create something, it is basically copyrighted to you. You can find out more about this in my trademarks and copyright video, and I will link to it here and also in the description below. So get straight onto Redbubble and let them know using their notice and takedown procedure to send a report. You can see all the steps to do this by going to the help section at the bottom of the page and then copyright, then scroll down to here and then Redbubble will review it and take down the copycat work.